guys, Dr Duce back again with another installment from the audio production Spice Rack. Now today's flavour is all about that parallel drum compression. You want to add more punch, drive and energy to your drum tracks? Well, check this out.
Okay, so as you can see right here, I've got all of my drum stems. I've got an outer kick, an inner kick, a snare top, snare bottom, some hats and a pair of overheads. Okay, so let's switch over to the main mixer window using key command 2. Okay, so as you can see right here are all of our drums all nicely packed together, and there's our keyboard. Let me give you a quick playback so you can hear the material that we're dealing with. Okay, so the drums are being recorded nice and clean, but as you can see, nothing's really been done to treat them at all. Main focus right now is on our parallel compression. The first thing you want to do is select the first drum track or channel, click and hold and drag across. So all of these are selected. Okay, then you come up here and click and hold on where it says stereo out and come down to bus. So we're going to create a new drum bus. I've already got one created. I normally use bus 10. So right here, this is where all of my drums are coming in. So if I play that back now, oops. I want to bring this back up to unity. So hold down the option key and click and it returns it to 0. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is, whilst these are all still selected, I'm going to come up here to the sends. And I'm going to send these to bus 11. Bus 11. Okay. And as you can see, it's happening to all of the channels selected. Okay. I'm now going to raise the send level to 0. There we go. Cool. And over here, I've already got it plugged in, but what we're going to do, I'll take that out and put it back in so you can see what's going on. I'm going to insert a compressor, a logic compressor. Stereo. Now I'm going to choose the vintage VCA compressor, which is a fantastic emulation of the classic or legendary SSL G series bus compressor, which has been used on thousands of hit records. Okay, so now I'm going to go up to the presets and I'm going to go to compressor tools and we're going to go for the VCA smashed. All right, now this is a good one to start with. You can always adjust the parameters later on. Let's make this a little smaller and see what we've got. Okay, let's play back. Yeah, so there you go. It's not about volume, it's about those extra nuances that the highly compressed drums are adding to the overall sound. So the idea now is to try and find a good balance between the direct drum mix and the highly compressed drums, find a good balance and work them together in parallel. Of course, there's other work to be done, such as EQ and reverb and so on. And you can see very quickly by following this very simple process, you can add that extra energy that was missing from the original drums. Okay, so thanks for watching this episode from the audio production Spice Rack. Hopefully you'll be able to use this technique to add some extra flavor to your mixes. Of course, if you found it useful, do remember to drop me a comment, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back real soon. I'm Dr Duce. Peace.